Hi guys, today we compare Nothing CMF Phone 1 versus Vivo V40. The Nothing CMF Phone 1 launched on July 2024. The price is $259. The Vivo V40 launched on July 2024. The price is $550. The dimensions: the Nothing phone height 6.46 inch, width 3.03 inch, thickness 8.2 mm. The Vivo V40 height 6.46 inch, width 2.95 inch, thickness 7.6 mm. The weight: Nothing phone 197, the Vivo 190 gram. The Nothing phone build front glass, plastic back and plastic frame. The Vivo V40 front and back glass and plastic frame. And the both will come with dual SIM nano SIM card for the display. The Vivo and the Nothing phone come with AMOLED screen display with 16 color of Nothing and Vivo 1 billion color screen type. The Nothing phone CMF1 screen size is 6.67 inches. The Vivo V40 6.78 inches. The resolution: Vivo V40 come with 1.5K screen resolution. The Nothing phone 1 come with 1080p screen resolution. The Dimensity PPI Dynasty. The Vivo V40 453. The Nothing phone CMF1 395. The refresh rate is same 120 Hz. And the screen to body ratio: the Nothing phone 85.1%, the Vivo 90.1% screen to body ratio. And the screen protection: the both will come with Gorilla Glass screen. The Vivo come with 4500 nits peak of brightness. The Nothing phone CMF1 come with 2000 nits peak of brightness. The camera setup: the Nothing phone 1 CMF come with dual camera setup. The 50 megapixel wide, 2 megapixel depth sensor with LED flash, HDR panorama, 4K 30 fps video record. The Vivo V40 come with dual camera setup to 50 megapixel wide and 50 megapixel ultra wide with this optic ring LED flash, HDR panorama, and it's record 4K 30 fps video too. The selfie camera: the Nothing CMF phone 1 comes with 16 megapixel selfie camera with panorama, HDR 1080p 30 fps video record. The Vivo V40 comes with 50 megapixel camera and 4K 30 fps video record. The platform: the Nothing CMF phone 1 comes with octa-core Cortex A78 2.5 GHz CPU. The Vivo V40 comes with octa-core Cortex A715 with 2.63 GHz CPU. And the Nothing phone CMF1 come with MediaTek Dimensity 7300 4nm chipset. The Vivo V40 come with Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 4nm chipset. And the Vivo V40 come with Adreno 720. The Nothing CMF phone 1 come with Mali G615. And the Vivo come with Android 14 operating system. The Nothing phone CMF 1 come with Android 14 operating system too. The memory: Vivo come with 8 gigs and 12 gigs of RAM, and the Nothing CMF phone 1 come with 6 and 8 gigs of RAM. The internal storage: the Nothing CMF phone 1 come with 128 gigs and 256 gigs of internal storage. The Vivo V40 come with 256 gigs, 512 gigs of internal storage, and the CMF phone 1 4 micro SD card. The battery backup: Vivo comes with 5500 mAh battery. The CMF phone 1 Nothing is 5000 mAh battery, and the Nothing phone CMF1 comes with 33 watt fast charging. The Vivo V40 comes with 80 watt fast charging and no wireless charging support in these mobile, and the both will come with 5G network support. The commons and the features: the Nothing CMF phone 1 comes with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, infrared port, Type-C 2.0, fingerprint in the display, UFS 2.2, and IP54 dust and water resistant. The Vivo V40 comes with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, infrared port, Type-C 2.0, fingerprint under display, UFS 2.2, IP68 dust and water resistant. And the result of these OSs: the Vivo got 25 points and the Nothing CMF phone 1 got 15 points.